The schwa sound is the most common sound in English. I don't know why it's called schwa. It's not pronounced schwa. It's pronounced as in about, enough, until. Schwa is the main sound of unstressed vowels, like the A in about, the E in enough, the U in until, the first O in oppose, the I and the U in beautiful. So, whenever you see a multi-syllable word, you usually don't fully pronounce the unstressed vowels. You usually make a schwa sound. It's enough, not enough. About, not about. Beautiful, not beautiful. Animal, not animal.